In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore Instagram messages after deleting. Now, this process can be a little bit difficult because Instagram doesn't have a built-in undo feature or trash feature for messages. So what I recommend that you guys do is to attempt to request Instagram data download. So Instagram stores some data on its servers for a limited time, and you can request a copy of your data, which may include deleted messages if they were not permanently removed. So again, I just want to reiterate that this is not a guaranteed method. So all you want to do is you want to select on your profile picture, then go to the top right and select on these three bars, then select on Account Center. From here, please go ahead and select on your information and permissions, and then you guys can go ahead and select on this option that says export your information. And that is going to download your Instagram chats, images, messages, etc. And there is a chance that your deleted message could actually be here. So you just want to go ahead and press on create export. Then you guys could export it to your device right over here. And then it's going to say confirm your export. And then it is going to give you all this information. It's going to give you all this information. You guys could select on the date range, the format, etc. Even the media quality. And all you need to do is press on start export. Then it is going to download all of like your Instagram files and stuff like that. But keep in mind that you need to do this fast because you will only have 4 days to download your files for security purposes. Now, one thing to know is that it may not include all deleted messages, especially those deleted long ago or in vanish mode. But in my opinion, that is the best way to attempt to get your data back. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.